Namaste. I, JV and Dr. N.P. Sharma, Professor, Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. My today's digital version 2.0 topic is WBC. So we will discuss about the WBC or white blood cells. WBC or leukocytes are the colorless and nucleated form elements of blood. Leuko is derived from Greek word leukos, means white. Alternate spelling of the leukocyte is leukocyte. Compared to RBCs, the WBCs are larger in size and lesser in number. Yet functionally, these cells are important like RBC because of their role in defense mechanism of the body and protect the body from invading organisms by acting like soldiers. WBCs differ from RBCs in many aspects. Larger in size, irregular in shape, nucleated, many types. Granules are present in some types of the WBCs. Granules are present in some type of WBCs. Lifespan is shorter. Some of the WBCs have granules in the cytoplasm based on the presence or absence of granules in the cytoplasm. The leukocytes are classified into two groups. Number one, granulocytes which have granules. Number two, agranulocytes which do not have granules. Granulocytes depends upon the staining property of granules. The granulocytes are classified into three types. Neutrophil with granules taking both acidic and basic stain. Eosinophil with granules taking acidic stain. Basophils with granules taking basic stain. Agranulocytes have plain cytoplasm without granules. Agranulocytes are two types, monocyte and lymphocytes. Morphology of WBC, neutrophils which are also known as polymorph have fine or small granules in the cytoplasm. The granules taking acidic and basic stain when stained with Leishman stain which contains the acidic eosine and basic methylene blue. The granules appears violet in color. Nucleus is multilobed. The number of lobes in the nucleus depends upon the age of cells. In younger cells, the nucleus is not lobed, and in other older neutrophils, the nucleus has 2 to 5 lobes. The diameter of cells is 10 to 12 microns. The neutrophils are amoeboid in nature. Feature differences between WBC and RBC. Color: WBCs are colorless, whereas RBC color in red in color. Number of cells 4,000 to 10,000 per cubic millimeter, whereas in RBC 5 to 5.5 million cubic millimeter. Size larger, RBC smaller, shape irregular, whereas in RBC biconcave and spherical. Diameter maximum 18 micron, whereas RBC is 7.4 micron. Eosinophils have coarse granules in the cytoplasm which stain pink or red with the eosine. Nucleus is bilobed and spectral shaped. Diameter of the cell varies between 10 and 14 micron. Basophils also have coarse granules in the cytoplasm. The granules stain purple blue with the methyl blue. Nucleus is bilobed.
देखो मैंने बात कर लिया थोड़ा सा भी मना कर दो मेरा फोन दे दे जयप्रकाश से दीदी बात सुन लो
Monocytes are the largest nucleocytes with diameter of 14 to 18 micron. The cytoplasm is clear without granules. Nucleus is rounded, oval, and horseshoe shaped, bean shaped, or kidney shaped. Nucleus is placed either in the center or the of the cells or pushed to one side and larger amount of cytoplasm is seen. Lymphocytes, like monocytes, the lymphocytes also do not have granules in the cytoplasm. Nucleus is oval, bean-shaped, or kidney-shaped. Nucleus occupied with the whole of the cytoplasm. A rim of cytoplasm may or may not be seen. Depending upon the size, lymphocytes are also divided into two types, two groups: large lymphocytes, small lymphocytes. Large lymphocytes are T lymphocytes or B lymphocytes. Now we see the diagram of uh, neutrophils, eosinophil, basophil, monocyte, and large lymphocytes also. Differential WBC count. Leukocytosis is the increase in total WBC count. Leukocytosis occurs in the both physiological and pathological conditions. Leukopenia in decrease in total WBC count. In term of leukopenia is generally used to pathological conditions only. Granulocytes is the abnormal increase in the number of granulocytes. Granulocytopenia is in abnormal condition. Reduction in the number of granulocytes. Agranulocytosis is the acute pathological condition characterized by the absolute lack of granulocytes. Physiological variations is WBC count is about 20,000 per cubic millimeter in infants and about 10,000 to 15,000 per cubic millimeter of blood in children. In adults, the range between 4,000 to 11,000 per cubic millimeter of blood. Takes slightly more in the males than the females. Divergent diurnal variation minimum in early in the morning and increasing maximum in the afternoon. Exercise increases slightly. Sleep decreases. Emotional condition like anxiety increases, pregnancy increases, menstruation increases, fluctuation increases. Pathological variations, all type of the leukocytes do not share equally in the increases or decreases of total leukocyte count. In general, the neutrophils and lymphocytes vary in opposite directions. Leukocytosis is the increase in total leukocyte count. It occurs in the conditions such as infections, allergy, common cold, tuberculosis, glandular fever. Leukopenia is the condition which is characterized by abnormal of uncontrollable increase in leukocytes count more than 1 lakh cubic per cubic millimeter of blood, and it is also seen in the blood cancer. Leukopenia is a decrease in the total WBC count. It occurs in the following pathological conditions: anaphylactic shock, cirrhosis of liver, disorder of spleen, pernicious anemia, typhoid and para-typhoid viral infection, and variation in differential count of leukocytes count. Differential leukocytes are varied in specific disease. It occurs in the following conditions: acute infection, metabolic disorder, injection of foreign proteins. Namaste. Hope you are satisfied with digital version 2.20 session WBC. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box, so we will have a problem solving live session for your query.